So I'm just doing this walkthrough today to get a feel for Mount Pleasant, and also a big part of that is Main Street. Right now in the COVID-19 situation, there is a lot of businesses closed. Typically you'd see a lot more people on the patios and enjoying the the good weather we're having here in April. But this is just one of the ways to help clients that are not physically here and want to avoid, kind of keep working from home and all that type of thing. So it really gives them a chance to see a neighborhood and see some of the things that are important to them, whether that be restaurants or work, schools, or to be, close to transportation, downtown. So this was an example of a virtual neighborhood tour. So if you need help with this, if you're currently out of town, if you can't travel due to COVID-19, whether it's by ferry, even by car, or any other mode of transportation. Of course, plane is a lot more difficult these days. So if you want to do a virtual tour, in this case, I had a client on Vancouver Island. They were, relocating from Vancouver. So we had our eye on two properties. One was at Q16, nice townhouse complex on Quebec and 16th. And then the other one was Quebec Crossing at 15th and Quebec. And we did breaking down some of the driving and walking times to the some of the hot spots in the Mount Pleasant and Main Street areas. As you can see on the maps, this is really useful for people that are not here, just because they can see me walking through the area and then just getting a feel for how long it takes. Of course, there's probably a little bit less people out there, so expect patios to be full. More people are going to be out and about walking on the streets, etc. This is a great location. These are really in an awesome area with the parks right there. You got good schools, good food, coffee, donuts. Everything that you need is right at your fingertips there. Shopping, of course, and close proximity to downtown, to the hospital, to Olympic Village. Of course, you can go east, you can go west, north, or south. So it's very centrally located. And yeah, I do that to help the clients. If you're interested in how you can sell virtually today, how you can and still, abide by the physical distancing regulations we have set out by the government, or if you want to get more information about buying, just even having a consultation or do a walkthrough, virtual walkthrough, in-person walkthrough, see how that works. Anything you need, let me know. Reach out anytime. Stay safe and hopefully stay home if you can.